Girl, Ma'am Rhea Mendoza. Mommy Rhea's favorite category of food. Ano ba yung mga favorite food ni Mami Rhea? Alright? Parang ito yata ang kasama ni Mami Rhea kumain. Alright, okay. Favorite niyang kainin. Alright, favorite niyang kainin. Alright, sir, tayo tayo. What's your good name? Mark. Sir Mark, what is your guess answer? What is Mami Rhea's favorite food?
Ayun yung salmon!
Sinigang na salmon para magta-tiebreaker yata tayo. Alright. Para makulinan daw yung Sir Onyong yun, yung salmon already. I think it is under this category pero hindi specific yung sinulat ni Mami kasi I think aside sa salmon parang marami yata siyang gustong ibang pagkain aside sa salmon. So, any other guess? Alright, sir. Isang inilaw also, isang makikita natin sa ilalim ng dagat. Alright, sir. Ako narinig natin sa sir, what's your good name? Sir Daddy, what is your guess answer? Seafoods! Yes! Correct! Alright, Sir Daddy, you receive as per your token and seafoods po. So expect na baka marami tayong seafood sa ating bayan for tonight. Okay, next question. Ano ang best-selling, wow, I love that, best-selling home-cooked dish ng ating senador na tayo? Alright, kilalanin natin sa ma'am. What's your good name? Ma'am, Marvin Isnan, kayo po ay kasama niyo from where? From where? Alright. So ma'am, madalas po bang may dalang food si Mami Rhea sa inyo, sir?
Madalas na magbebenta.
Madalas na magbebenta. Alright. Ano lang ang pinakamasarap na food niyang binenta? And ang kanyang bestseller ay?
Vigo!
Vigo is correct. Alright. And if you think you have seen the best of her, think again. Because we will be mesmerized by her grooves and moves. Please give it up for the talent of our dear Golden Lady. Please give it up for Mami Rhea May Mendoza. Let's go! I think this time I will be requesting everyone to please stand up. Come on. Let's join our dear Mami Rhea as she grew to her 50th year. Come on. Everybody now. Everybody stand. Come on. Hey. Come on. Everybody. Let's go. Let's go. Woo. 1, 2. Everybody, clap your hands, come on. All right, the celebrant will be requesting us to shake our dance away. All right, everybody, shake, come on. Shake, everybody. Here we go. One more time. Sino kaya ang best dancer natin mamaya? Everybody now, lalapitan kayo ni Mami sa table, sasayaw tayo! Here we go! How about dito sa may ringside? Here we go! Come on! Dito naman tayo sa may harap. Ayan! Let's go!
ating birthday po ni May. Salamat Panginoon sa 50 years na binigay po sa kanyang buhay. Sa pagpapala mo sa kanya, sa kanyang pamilya, kung paano po siya ginagabayan ng Panginoon. Salamat sa another year na binigay mo po sa kanya. We know, Lord, na hindi ka magpapos sa kanya. Marami ka pa po gagawin. And we pray, Lord, na kung ano po yung mga desires ng mga puso, pagpalain mo po, Panginoon. Yung mga plano niya ay maging alayin sa plano mo. At anumang pong bagay na hihilingin niya, Panginoon, kung ito po ay kalooban mo, Panginoon, magkakaloob mo po.
Enjoy lang kayo. Maraming tayong surprises later. Welcome. Mapupusok kayong lahat.
And we request all of our 10 dashing debonaires to join our New Year celebrant. And our last dance is from one of the next housemate of our dear celebrant. Please give it up for Bench. And another beloved workmate. Please give it up for Jane.
Gusto kitang isaya. Gusto kitang isaya. Sa musika.
And let's welcome on our dance floor another beloved ex-housemate we have, Daryl. another beloved adopted son, we have Brother Mario. Alright, moving forward to our next golden.
Happy birthday, Ate Rhea. Ang tagal na natin magkakilala. Ang dami na rin natin pinagdaanan. For good and for bad, lagi kang nandyan. Hindi mo kami iniiwan kahit na medyo nagkaroon na ng gap kasi may mga nawawala, pero hindi mo kami the best na nangyayari sa atin ngayon kasi lumayo man yung iba, nandyan ka pa rin. Kaya thankful kami as a mother, as a sister. The best ka talaga. Alam ng lahat yan, lalo ng Slingshot family. Mahal na mahal ka namin, sobra.
Alright, thank you very much. Sige po, let's have one picture po. Alright, together with our celebrants again.
All, I would like to say thank you. Sobrang haba na nung mga pinagsamahan natin. Nandiyan ka all the time sa amin. Kahit na sobrang dami namin, sobrang kulit namin. So, maraming salamat na naging talagang family yung touring mo sa amin dito. So, more birthdays to come for you po.
Thank you very much. And then listen, moving forward, we have...
I-invite mo kami dito sa birthday ko. At God bless you more. Sa family mo, sa'yo, sa health mo. Mag-iingat ka palagi. And happy birthday.
Alright, thank you very much, Miss Madeline. Next up, we have an ex.
I love you so much. Happy birthday. It's from my heart.
Sige, sabihin na natin si Luis.
Hi, madam! Ayan. Ate, thank you for the friendship. Kung sila mahaba pinagsamahan nyo, tayo maikli man, pero alam ko nasa puso mo ako, nasa puso kita. I love you, ate. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Alright. Next up, we have another...
Since 2017, bago ako dumating dito, nakasama ko na po si Lamit at dahil sa kanya nakilala kita. Salamat po dahil ikaw ang naging second mom namin dito sa UAE. At dahil sa'yo nakahilig na rin ako sa basketball. Thank you, ate. Happy birthday.
Alright, thank you very much, Ma'am Joanne. Next up, another...
Happy birthday, Miss. Thank you for everything since day one. Nandyan ka para sa akin until now. Thank you, Miss. Love you.
Alright, thank you very much, Miss Ranelia. We'll have photo op. And then another...
Happy birthday, Ate Rhea. Alam mo, matagal din yung pinagsamahan natin. Hindi man tayo nagkikita palagi, pero alam mo na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday. I love you. Happy birthday.
Alright. Ma'am Sharon ay may pasabog. Okay, next up.
Yung titi mo baso. Yung baso, yung baso.
All the way from the Philippines! Let's give them these tear-jerking moments. Pinalitos for tonight. Can you tell us more about our new celebrant, Ayan? And for you to travel that long mile from the Philippines, going here, I think there must really be something about this golden lady that you really love about. So, can you tell and share your story to everyone here?
Since 1990. Okay. Yeah, just for the info, she's like my sister na. We've been through a lot. Narinig ko yung mga ano ninyo, share ninyo na. Since, pero kami, since childhood, nandito kami, parang kaming kambal. No, I have literally kambal, pero siya yung kambal ko dito. Alam niyo yung mga ups and downs namin, yung mga, ewan ko, sikreto. Naribok talaga yung ticket ko because of her. Kasi ang birthday niya hindi ngayon eh. Pero sinabi niya na ano ako na i-celebrate niya tonight. So, rebook pa more because of her. Ganyan siya ka-importante sa akin. Alam niya yan. May kapatid pa ako kiran. Siya yung higit pa sa higit pa sa kapatid. Ako yung yung parang kahit hindi kami nagsasalita, alam namin kung ano nangyayari sa amin dalawa. Kaya wala na akong masabi. Siya yung pinaka the best na wishing you all the 50 50 na mater. Ano na kami, parang life and death na kami dalawa. I love you so much, alam mo yan. Naribok ko to dahil sa'yo. Love you. Bigay ko na sa iba yung
Sige, kaya nyo yan! Go! Okay. We'll check that. 8, 900 million, 987 million. Let's check. 543,210. Sino po ang nauna? Aray ko po. Okay, wait lang. Si Ma'am ang maghuhusga. Ma'am Rhea, sino po ang nauna? Aray ko. Ang kulit. Sige, Ma'am. Okay. Ang nanalo ay? Girls na lang, girls.
Ang nanalo ay ang girls.
Alright. Ma'am Sunshine.
Sir, pag sinabi yung stop.
Aray ko. Okay, contestant number 1. Let's go.
All the ladies run to the left, skate to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ardan Flores. Tanong ko, sa gabi is Danica. I'm from Candelaria, Quezon, 27 years of age. Welcome! Happy birthday!